Dear Lauren, you walked into my life, forever changing my life. You are my world, and I can't see my life without you. You're my best friend, my love of my life. I can't wait to start this thing we call life.
My love, we made it. Today, I get to call you my husband. A year ago today, God made it abundant and clear that we were someone that has going to change our whole life, and you have done just that. I remember leaving our third date thinking I really like this guy. You are my best friend, my home. There is no other person I would want to spend the rest of my life with.
Can we start taking those out and dry them off? Yeah, thank you.
I am beautiful.
You are.
Most exciting part of today is watching Lauren marry Rex, her best friend. So excited.
You two have both come from a legacy of love. You have the honor of having both of your parents here to celebrate you. You're able to witness and remember and see what it looks like to endure not just days or weeks or months, but decades of love, decades of believing when it's hard, decades of choosing. At the end of the day, love is not a feeling, love is a choice. And we've talked about this, you know all these things. But I just want to remind you that you've made the right choice. I now pronounce you husband and wife.
You are the luckiest guy I know. And I just want to thank you for loving and cherishing my best friend the way she deserves. You saw what we all see in her, and you were super smart not to let her get away, so good job.
Now, Lauren, I just want to say that I couldn't ask for a better sister-in-law. I love you. Thank you. Thank you for coming into our lives and making Rex into the man he is now. I love that you brought the light into his eyes.
Give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got for love.
Your journey has been nothing short of inspiring. From the missed snowboarding trips to dancing under the stars with I love yous, surrounded by scripture. Every chapter reflects the depth of your connection.
My son met Lauren, and we saw a big change in Rex. And I'm just glad to be here today, that he found a mate that he can relate to and love each other, and thank God for bringing Lauren into his life to give him joy. And there was a time that he wasn't very happy, and now he is completed on that side.
As my firstborn, I am so proud of the man that you have become. I cannot tell you with words everything that you have made me become. You have made me become a better mother, to raise the other two the way that I raised you. Thank you, Rex, for being the son that a lot of people wish they had.
Gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got for love.